How to fix no sound on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. First things first, go ahead and look for the silent switch on the left side of your iPhone. And if you see an orange color, your iPhone is in silent mode. So go ahead and flip the switch to turn sound back on. If that does not help too, you can press the volume up button several times, or you can also simply swipe down from the top right and you will be led to your control center. Here you can make sure that the volume slider is turned up. Next, you can go ahead and launch the settings application and then tap on Bluetooth and then go ahead and toggle off the toggle button for Bluetooth temporarily and then test the sound again as audio may be playing through connected headphones or speakers. See if that helps, and if not, then open settings again and then tap on sounds and haptics and then go ahead and adjust the ringtone and alerts volume slider. You can also go ahead and toggle on the toggle button for change with buttons if you want. And if that does not help you in fixing your issue too, then you can simply swipe down from the top right of your screen again and you will be led to the control center. Here, go ahead and turn off focus mode or do not disturb modes from your iPhone and then test notifications and calls. See if that helps, and if not, then you can also clean your speakers as sometimes the speaker might be blocking the ringtone. So check the speaker grills for dust or debris and then carefully clean them with a wet or soft dry brush. See if that helps you in fixing your issue, and if not, then you can also go ahead and simply try to restart your iPhone, as a simple restart helps in fixing sound glitches on your iPhone. If that does not help too, then go ahead and launch the settings application on your iPhone and then tap on general and then on software update and then go ahead and install any updates available. And if that does not help the issue too, then you can check your audio output. So swipe down from the top right again and you will be led to the control center. Here, tap on the AirPlay icon and ensure audio is set to iPhone and not other device. Also, the last resort is go ahead and launch the settings application on your device and then tap on general and then on transfer or reset iPhone. Further, tap on reset and then reset all settings, and by now your issue should have been fixed. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix no sound on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.